Okay,
Sup?
sup? Are we recording?
Yeah,
Okay, so first, brief introduction.
yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to the first episode of Billionaires in Buses.
Buses, yeah.
I live inside my own world of make believe.
In buses,
Buses, yeah.
you control yourself.
Okay.
So we'll introduce ourselves. This is Pavitra and it's Ronak.
Yeah,
Both of us we are economic grads, and it's
yeah.
safe to say we are economic lovers also.
Yes. And
We have
unemployed in the current situation also.
No, that too is everyone. So is everyone. But you are a silver medalist. If
Yeah,
we
but,
yeah,
but,
still unemployed, but
yeah. I'm a silver medalist who's unemployed.
yeah. And also before we proceed with the episode, we should clear out something first for tax purposes. Is that neither of us are billionaires. Neither of us are anywhere close to being
But,
billionaires.
but the thing is that we are in our minds, so who
Yeah,
cares?
so I'll justify why do we call this podcast Billionaires in Buses is because of a schedule efficiency pattern which you discovered, which
Yeah.
I think is genius. Do you want to explain what it is?
Yeah, the thing is that suppose that we have, I read it in Amazon, what Jeff Bezos does is that he
Hmm.
takes three things that he has to do every day. So I kind of like modified that and I started with my initial capital, which my memory can generate. Because let's say that's $1 billion because
Yeah,
billionaires. So then I took three things that I would do every day and I would give them a dollar amount to that. For
right,
example, suppose I do my homework, 50 million credited to my account. If I did another research work, 30 million in your account.
right,
So
right.
so every day I would add, I would take the total and see how much profit I've made. So by the end of the month, I would want that due to my efficiency, my profit on paper, of course, would be
Right.
more than $1 billion. Or
Which yeah,
which
which
which would
is
be
a
my,
genius motivator
yeah.
because I take a shower and I'm like, wow, I made 10 million.
Nice.
So essentially, what you do is when both of us, what we wake up, we think, okay, our net worth is $1 billion.
Yeah,
If we do these 4 5 tasks, we make money,
yeah,
and if we don't do it, we lose money. It's that sort of a thing, right?
yeah, exactly.
So how much did you make today, Mr. Dakit?
To be honest, I'm talking on billionaires in buses.
Yeah,
So I think we're up 50 million today.
right. I made 40,
Okay.
and that is right before I realized my phone doesn't have balance, so you had to call me. This is how sad. But like in billionaires in buses, only the buses part is true that we
Yeah,
travel a lot in buses,
yeah, true.
right?
Yeah, because even if we were billionaires, that which we will be in the future, we have to also like save our bottom line. So it's economical, right? I
I
mean,
love your confidence, by the way. It's great. But I had this thing, right? So you know how generally when any series starts,
yeah,
the first episode is always called a pilot.
exactly.
Since it's billionaires in buses, our episode one will be called conductor.
Nice.
Of course, which is less funny than the fact that actual buses in Calcutta, it is not written bus drivers on the bus driver seat. It's written pilot.
Nice.
Yeah, so in Calcutta, mein, all the buses they have pilot written outside where
So
the bus driver is
technically,
supposed to
if
sit.
we travel in buses, we are actually flying around in the city because we're billionaires.
हाँ ये part काट देंगे. It's very dumb. It's very dumb. I'm actually, you know what I'm trying to do? I
Yeah,
think both of us are trying to find a segue to today's topic.
yeah,
You know what's weird? I always used to think segue is spelled Segway,
that's how it's
whereas it's
spelled.
not. No, that's not how segue is spelled. It's
Okay,
spelled Segue. Both words mean completely different. The correct spelling of segue is Segue. And you know what's the
UE.
correct spelling of negative?
What?
OIL.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So yeah, today's topic is
Is
going to
cause
be
of oil.
is oil. It's
Yeah.
oil. And something
So,
very historic happened recently, Mr. Rakit.
yeah.
You want to say
So,
what it is?
no, oil hit $0 a barrel.
It actually hit negative $40 a barrel.
Yeah, but come on, it's oil, so you
It's
have
oil.
to also
Yeah.
protect its upside.
Fair enough. We are going to be today, so essentially, all the entire majority of the podcast will be discussing about oil.
Yeah,
And first of all, none of us are experts, ठीक है?
of course we aren't.
But But what we are is what I proudly like to admit is we are financial or economic mythbusters to each
Yeah,
other, right?
exactly.
Because one of the things I hate about the subject is, and it's not the subject as it is, it's like most people add very fancy words to very simple things, right?
Exactly.
Whereas if you boil down it to simplicity, it means okay, it's very
Yeah, it's
simple.
very simple on its core
Yeah.
understanding belief.
And what we are doing today is something we do every day.
Yeah,
We discuss about this every day.
yeah,
So yeah, so we'll be discussing about oil today,
yeah,
and my favorite part is so the oil thing, it hit negative $40 a barrel, right? And for
yes.
mathematics simplicity, a barrel is approximately 160 liters.
Cool.
And the dollar is not 160 rupees yet.
No, not yet.
Not yet. It's 77.
It's 77, 76 here.
Yeah. Take it.
Hmm.
So my favorite part was when the oil price which hit negative, which is as per a WTI benchmark, which we'll get
Yeah.
into sooner. So the my favorite joke which came out was, "Ki, will I get paid if I consume oil?" Which is funny but sad at the same time,
Sad
which will
because
very sad.
because Indian government, they actually kind of like they protect the oil prices. So if on in
Yeah.
occasion the oil prices fall very low, so then what happens that excess money that the government has, they implement it on development purposes. But
You know,
let's be
I
real.
didn't know. I didn't know this.
Yeah,
That petrol and diesel they don't come under GST.
yeah,
They don't. I don't know why I used to think the highest slab of GST is 28%.
yeah.
But petrol and diesel doesn't come under GST, and we are about to know why. So I think we should first discuss how oil went negative because it's oil we are talking. It's oil, okay?
It's oil.
America's favorite liquid,
Oil.
India's second favorite liquid.
Liquid.
India's first favorite though is still Gomutra,
Yeah.
but yeah. So oil. So
Yeah.
what generally happens was essentially what happened was we know that there is a cartel, right? Do you
Yeah,
want to
oil
tell
cartels.
the listeners what a cartel actually is?
Yeah. So basically, a cartel or an oligopolistic market is when few people have dominate a market. It's not many players, but few
Yeah,
players. So one of the biggest cartels is the OPEC, or the
right.
Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries.
Hmm.
Yep.
And all these companies have one thing in common, apart from Islam, which is they control a lot of oil. So
Yes.
what OPEC does is they try to control the supply. So if demand falls,
Yeah.
they'll restrict the supply so that oil
Again,
prices
the
are,
demand rises.
yeah, so that essentially dhanda, so
Yeah.
that they keep making
Yeah,
money.
because they have to do it because half of Saudi's GDP, Saudi Arabia's GDP,
Yeah.
which is the boss man of the OPEC, half of that GDP comes from directly from oil.
Right. But things changed, Mr. Rakit.
Yes, they
Especially
do.
if you are talking about America. Because America used to be one of the highest oil importing countries.
Correct.
But something changed.
So what happened was that US shale companies supplied oil so much that the global oil prices fell by 70% because of the US shale method applied by US companies, which
Exactly.
kind of like blew
Which
the
is a
Saudis'
revolution.
mind. Yeah,
Yeah, it's a revolution. But
yeah,
so like I know we shouldn't get into technicality, but
yeah,
the what America did was genius in terms of oil. So this shale, it's called actually fracking. You know how it
yeah,
works.
yeah.
So imagine if you're trying to. So generally, how oil drilling on land works is you drill, right? But you
Yeah.
drill and you go down and you go down, like you
Down,
go
correct.
further below. So
Hmm.
it's like imagine you're trying to drink something out of a glass and your straw only goes down because it's a straw, right?
Exactly.
And imagine there are two, three glasses on the side, so you have to have a separate straw
Yeah.
so that you can get the liquid. Now imagine if the straw could bend horizontally and pass through the glass.
Whoa.
So that is what fracking is. So that oil drilling method, it can bend sideways and extract oil from the rocks of it. So generally what happened in like 2010, somewhere between 2010 to 2014
Yeah.
is that it changed US's status from like highest importing of oil to one of the biggest exporters of oil. In fact, I think it's US is third or second highest exporter of oil. No, I think first is Saudi Arabia, second is
Yeah.
Russia,
Then
third is America.
the third is America, right?
And at one point, America was even the top exporter of oil.
Damn, son.
Yeah.
In the current scenario, so what Saudi Arabia did with Russia was they formed a special matlab group in the OPEC known as OPEC
Big
Plus.
plus. Yeah.
Yeah, in which Russia and Saudi Arabia, they both were the boss men over there. So now in the present scenario, Russia's requires $42 a barrel of oil to meet its budget, so that it balances its budget. But Saudi Arabia requires 89 to 91 dollars a barrel so that it can meet its deficit. So why this war happened? Because Russia found that if it can produce more, it
Yeah, it
can
could.
it can actually knock off Saudi Arabia in its own secret club. So its club will be only Russians drinking vodka.
Yeah. It has started by Russia trying to knock off America,
Yeah,
but then Russia saw it could attack both ways.
exactly.
And here is why oil actually went negative. So oil is drilled by two methods, right?
Yeah,
Essentially two methods. One is you drill it from the ground,
yeah,
and one is you drill it from the water bodies, right? Or from
yeah.
oceans and seas. So you know which oil is better.
Which one, Bull?
It's the ocean one because
Nice.
it's superior quality wise
Hmm.
and it's easier to transport it because when you're drilling it from the ground, that's when you have to create pipelines
Right, correct.
and it's tougher for that to be
So technically,
transported
if
and
I drill
stored.
oil from the water bodies, my cost of drilling oil is exponentially less, and I get better quality of oil, which I can sell at a higher price.
You'll get a bet. I think cost of drilling it varies, but your transportation
Yeah, matlab,
is
overall
simplified.
the cost of
Yeah.
production becomes very less.
Yeah, so the oil which went negative, it was negative by the WTI marking.
Yeah,
And to be very easy, WTI means American oil. Okay, by
nice.
America standards. So what happened was that oil prices went so low and supply was still high thanks
Yeah,
to
yeah,
Putin that where oil was being stored in US,
yeah.
they had a lot already stored. The inventories were full
Exactly.
and it was tougher to transport and store them with such competitive price. So the perceived value of that WTI oil
Yeah.
went negative.
Went negative. I guess those futures, because oil is traded in futures contracts, it
Exactly.
went
Yeah.
lower at minus $37.60.
Yeah. Yeah. So if any class 2 student is listening to this podcast, when people purchase oil, it's not how ki we call someone like I like some oil and we purchase oil. We purchase a deal with the oil, right?
Exactly.
It's like options.
Yeah.
So we
I
finalize a deal.
basically what we do with oil is that we decided how much quantity of oil we will
Right.
buy at a predetermined price in at a future date.
राइट सो
Yeah.
एसेंशियली आई कॉल यू लाइक सुन मेरे को तेल चाहिए ठीक है अब प्रॉब्लम है कि तेल का प्राइस बहुत झूलता है ठीक है लाइक बाय द टाइम वी टॉक तेल का प्राइस बहुत फ्लक्चुएट हो चुका है ठीक है
Exactly.
लाइक इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस पॉडकास्ट इफ वी वर डीलिंग इन ऑयल विल बी जस्ट बिलियनर्स
Or multimillionaires.
श्योर तो as high as your imagination can take you. But
Exactly.
so they decide on a deal, right?
Yeah.
But this is how oil goes negative. It's not like negative oil, like oil actually will go negative for the consumer.
Exactly.
And here's why, here's where we'll talk about oil, how. So like a lot of people were happy when oil went negative, and I understand why. They'll think ki you'll
No,
get cheaper oil.
but from an economic point of view, since India is a big oil importing
Yeah,
country,
it's the
so
third largest importer of
yeah,
oil.
so by that logic, the Indian government should have its current account deficit should fall really low now, because
Exactly.
it helps the economy.
You know how much India spent last year for oil importing?
Bol,
$112 billion.
damn son.
And it's speculated that if oil prices remain so competitive, they will, India might spend less than $65 billion.
Whoa.
Imagine the number of statues we can build with that money.
Yeah, or the number of internet packages we can put in the hands
Fair
of the
enough.
Indian Parliament, where they can watch what and what not.
So ये भी काट देंगे. बढ़िया. Yeah, so also there is another reason. US में जो कंपनियां हैं जो ड्रिल करती है ऑयल,
Hmm.
most of them are private companies.
Right.
जबकि in Russia and Saudi they are nationalized companies.
Yeah.
So that is why Russia, because US is still a very dominant economy, right?
Yeah.
So if you attack private companies and when they do go bankrupt,
Yeah.
it's not like the government will try to come and protect them. They have already a lot to do. Except in the
Exactly.
case of a Saudi Arabia or Russia, where most of these
Or in
companies
the
are nationalized.
2008 financial crisis, when it was in their interest to bail out those companies.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It won't be, right? So that is why Russia thought that, because Russia hates US more than it loves money. So
And vodka.
Russia, yeah. So Russia will not care, right? Russia tried to attack US and then it saw it going to attack Saudi also.
Yeah.
So that OPEC plus alliance
Yeah.
almost broke.
Exactly.
So that's what happened. Okay, so let's discuss why, for you and me, or for any Indian citizen,
Yeah.
we shouldn't care what the crude oil prices are, because it doesn't matter.
Exactly, because there are a lot of costs incurred in the distribution and to reach the end consumer. There are a lot of midway expenses that anyway jack up the price.
Yeah, essentially what happened was, even like back in 2010, 2012, when the Congress government used to be, oil
Yeah,
prices were at the time double than they were of today. Like it used to be $120 something barrel.
yeah.
And then also
Just to
petrol
give
used
you
to be
perspective, at $120, at that oil price, Nigeria was growing at a 9% GDP growth rate. But
9%.
yeah, but now it's so low. I guess it's $20 a barrel, and now the Nigerians are fucked.
Yeah, it's black for them now.
Yeah,
Anyway, so it used to be like twice as it of today, right?
yeah,
But even at that time, petrol used to be like 77, 80 and something.
yeah.
Now, and I think now is a bad point to take reference from, but in general, in like a year or last year, oil prices were $60, $70 barrel compared to $120 barrel being at that time.
Exactly.
And the petrol prices are still increasing. In
Yeah.
fact, we very recently had the largest hike on diesel and petrol prices.
Mm.
So essentially what happens is, imagine तेरे को 20 रुपए में इंडिया को पेट्रोल मिल रहा है पर लीटर, ठीक है?
Hmm.
The rest 50 is just central takes an excise duty on it,
Exactly.
which goes entirely in the pocket, and the
Yeah.
state governments takes their cut on it. And then from where you get petrol, they take some dealership
Yeah,
commission.
So
So
there are
it
a lot of
doesn't
midway
matter.
expenses.
Yeah, so you know what's interesting?
What?
Petrol used to be 77 back then. It is still 70 something,
Yeah.
80 in some places too,
But
right?
coronavirus, we can't actually tell for sure.
That's a different thing. But and crude oil prices used to be higher then. But
Hmm.
during the Congress time, don't used to charge commission. And when we are saying excise duty, it's a fancy word for saying this much government will keep for itself.
Exactly.
It's a commission.
Yeah.
What else it is? So essentially, when you're purchasing petrol, you are paying for the crude oil price, which is whatever it is.
Exactly.
You're giving a commission to the central government. You're giving a commission to the state government. You're
And
giving,
also to the dealership.
yeah, because and you can say ki yeah, there is an expense and everything, but they calculated it when they supply you, right?
Yeah.
मतलब तुम चिप्स खरीदा और तुम्हारा 100 रुपए का पेट्रोल जला तो तुम्हारे लिए कॉस्ट प्राइस तो 110 ही है ना.
Why?
तुम
No,
थोड़ी बोलेगा कि
but here comes an interesting point, my friend Jen. Because
yes
of
sir.
the coronavirus outbreak, since people are now trying to shift manufacturing from China towards India, so does that mean with more better FDI inflow, these Indian oil public sector companies can develop themselves through joint ventures with US collaborations and kick OPEC out of the way?
I mean, we are already trying to have it.
Yeah,
Zuckerberg and Amani did strike a deal. It's not related to oil, but
Yeah,
You
but
never know.
yeah, because Ambani's three-fifths of his business comes from oil. So
Yeah,
uh,
it's funny how we still think कि whenever we are surfing through Jio and thinking कि यार अंबानी बहुत कमाया होगा आज, but it's all, still a majority of its income is from.
yeah,
Yeah, so essentially what happened was, so if we had to summarize it, um, America became a very good exporter of oil, and it
right.
tried to cut into the profit and market share of Saudi Arabia, OPEC,
Yeah.
Russia, right? Saudi Arabia is
Hmm.
part of OPEC.
Hmm.
So what they decided to do was, since America is still a newbie,
Hmm.
Russia and OPEC, they formed OPEC Plus, and they decided that we'll increase the supply so
Yeah.
that prices go low and America won't be able to survive the competition.
Yeah. Exactly.
Now, what happened was oil prices were going very, very low.
Yeah.
So OPEC decided with Russia, you know what, let's cut the supply because all of us are being pinched.
Yeah. Because we cannot like
Yeah,
sustain this low price because it will deplete our
yeah.
foreign exchange reserves.
And Russia was like, hell niet.
Yeah, because you know why? Because it Russia requires $42 to balance its budget, whereas
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
on the other
Saudi,
hand requires more than twice that. So technically, if Russia can just lower its price even more, it becomes very competitive advantageous for Russia to be
yeah.
like the
So
boss man of OPEC
instead
Plus.
of a time where they should have, for the sake of the businesses, obviously, they could have cut supplies.
Yeah,
Russia increased the supply, and
exactly.
then obviously the corona crisis happened, and transportation came to a stop. Many cargo airlines went
Yeah,
bankrupt. So demand for petrol sinked even further below.
exactly.
And that is why for America or the WTI trademark, not
Hmm.
trademark, the WTI thing,
Yeah,
which
American oil.
perceives, yeah, American oil, which perceives oil value, the cost of transporting and storing the oil perceivably overtook the cost of oil, right? The supply,
Yeah,
and it essentially went negative. However, as we are talking, oil is not negative. It's, I
yeah.
think it raised
Yeah,
how much
today
is,
it's $21 a
yeah,
barrel.
something,
Yeah.
yeah. And the oil which is drilled from water bodies, which is the Brent crude oil, which is the most superior form of oil,
Yeah, yeah.
it never went negative. It also hit a historical low,
Low,
but
but
that
it
never
was
went,
yeah.
yeah, that never went negative. So yeah, but I
Mm.
think this won't happen again. What do you
Mm.
think?
I think since there's an interesting thing that I heard since because of the higher transportation costs and the higher storage costs, many companies will since it's pinching them, their ability to store oil for longer periods of time will be
Yeah.
less. So since their storage capacity releases, the oil that will be supplied to the consumers from after the coronavirus will probably be less, which
Hmm.
means in the future the oil prices can be really high, like $100 to hundred and twenty
Yeah.
dollars a barrel.
Yeah. So oil is always been like a family business. The supply will always be controlled. And
Exactly.
even if we could get very cheap oil,
Yeah.
you and I will always have to pay a lot,
Yeah.
because if the oil prices go down, government will take that opportunity to increase its commission. They will
Right. Right.
never compromise on its profit. And I
Exactly.
know a lot of people argue that okay, if the government makes money,
It's better.
uh,
It's good for
it's better
us.
for the government, and you shouldn't talk to such people. Is my point. Come on. Yeah. So this was good, Mr. Rakit.
Yeah, it
So
was good, Mr. Jain.
it was a good episode.
Yeah.
Before we sign off, we should hint on the topic of our next episode.
Yeah, it's
It's
Amiroka
regarding
Mutual
someone.
Fund.
Yeah, yeah. It's regarding a guy who both of us are huge fans of, and
Exactly.
funny enough, he's not as popular as he should be.
Exactly. Or
Yeah. So
maybe that's how he wants to be because he's
true,
like because
true.
what he's achieved is like really phenomenal.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
no, but and he's like if I'm that good at the game, it's better that people should know me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll just drop a hint. He is a billionaire mathematician.
Yeah.
So if you can guess, you can write it on the comments.
Right.
And yeah. Also, if you like this, you can share. If you have friends, don't ask us to invite you on this podcast. We are very monogamous that way.
Yes.
But yeah, this was good.
Yeah.
All right, Rakit.
All
We'll
right,
meet
Mr.
next.
Jain.
Okay. Chalo. Bye.
Chalo, bye.